Hello everyone, in this video I would like to talk about the Weglot Quality and how it's good to use this multilingual WordPress plugin or also for some other platforms. In this case I have already installed and set up different languages for the WordPress website. This is a dummy website. It has text in some different blogs, also the WooCommerce store. That it's my main recommendation is that if you're planning to use Weglot, use it if you have a WooCommerce store because it will reduce the hassle and will save you the time. And it's like having an expert team of translator on your site. As you can see here, I have multiple languages. Of course, I'm not fully proficient in all of those languages. Spanish is my main native language. And if we go here and reading, of course, I don't expect that you know fully the language. But as a Spanish speaker, I do consider the Weglot quality really good. Of course, there might be some words, for example, here in the states of here is campos, but in English it says fields. So the direct translation it could be to areas that it will be a more perfect sense of the sentence. But those minor details can be easily changed on the manual edit area, either by the visual editor or in the WordPress dashboard. If I go here also to the blog section where I have even more text, that text is understandable. It doesn't have that much grammar errors. So in that part, the Weglot quality is really good. And it's totally understandable and it doesn't have that much mistakes. Of course, it will depend on the language, and if you're expert on the different languages, you're the ones who are going to judge the quality of the translations. In this case, for example, Portuguese could be a good one. I know a little bit of Portuguese and I consider it okay, understandable, but I'm not a native speaker of Portuguese. So I can say that in the Arabic, I don't speak Arabic language. So if there's an Arabic visitor right now, he's the one who can judge the quality of the translations. Of course, I'm doing, it's not that taking too much to check out in detail, but we go also to the different languages, such in French, as Weglot's main original or it's based in France, it's supposed or it's that the French should be one of the best languages available, as well with German. The quality could be also considered good one. Of course, German is not an easy language. I do also know by living there in Germany a little bit of German. But as I said, if there are changes to be done, they can do it manually through the dashboard. If we go here to the dashboard area to translations, we can check out directly the strings for the English to German. And in case that we want to do the changes, we can do it from the language area in the translations or in the visual editor. This can help us as well to do the manual translation of the content to do a more perfect translation. Also, if you need some help of translators or professional translators, Weglot also offers that service, but it has an extra fee. But overall, talking about the Weglot quality of the translations, it's really good, at least in the Spanish version. It will be a matter of fact of checking out the different languages. If you're a Greek speaker, in this case, Indonesian, Vietnamese, Zulu, and so on, you can test out Weglot for free, check out the different translations, and you're the ones who is going to judge the Weglot quality. But But on my opinion, Weglot, at least in the Spanish, it's really, really good quality. So if you have some questions, some comments about Weglot, don't hesitate to write down. Thanks for watching.